My name is Tremaine Howard and this is 1307 Designs. I have been trying to start this YouTube channel for 3 years. And if you guys are finally seeing this, that means I finally did it! Although I've been trying to start this YouTube channel for 3 years, I have been creating and designing my entire life. 1307 is an homage to the home I grew up in, a home filled with love and laughter. My mother embraced and encouraged my creativity. She was a designer as well, a floral designer, and she taught me everything she knew. She even allowed me to design for her clients. I have designed interior spaces, event spaces, and home decor. I love to make old things new again, and I am addicted to DIY. 1307 is now your new home too, to all things design and DIY. I want to inspire you guys to embrace your own creativity and design your own way. And remember to like, subscribe, and share.